Yeah, boy! Getting the mowing today on the lawn. So we're going to give it its first mow. It's still a little bit patchy in some spots, but it'll be good enough for a mow. I want to start mowing it so it'll start spreading. Anyway, let's get into it. Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. So, as you can see, there's weeds absolutely everywhere. That came in the topsoil. This is the one issue when you bring soil in from somewhere else, is you get an abundance of weeds. It's mostly just cape weed, as you can see. Heaps of cape weed here. If you don't know what cape weed is, it's this broadleaf weed. It normally has like a bit of a silver colour on the underside. It's not quite mature enough yet, so you can't tell, but it's definitely cape weed. Anyway, as you can see, it's getting pretty long, but the reason we want to do this today is get our mow on is because, well, some of it is getting ridiculous, and also, sorry, it's being a booger. Yeah, but the reason we want to get a mow on today is because it is getting long. We need to start making it spread sideways as well, so it's really long through there. Wow. But yeah, it looks pretty good. For Kentucky Bluegrass, like, I'm pretty impressed with that. Josh has done a good job, considering that like it's been a little bit cooler here in Orange now. Would have been better if we had got it done a little bit earlier in the season, but it is looking good, and it will start spreading via those rhizomes once we start getting some mows on it. It's really thick down here with weeds. Whoa! Clover, bit of clover, bit of capeweed, bit of marshmallow, just a bit of everything. Bit of nutgrass. Oh, no. Oh my goodness. But anyway, we're able to sort that all out once I've got a couple of mows on this lawn. So I know people probably ask me this question, but if you are doing a new lawn like this and you've got heaps and heaps of weeds in there, either at the start you can only really pick them out, or you can spray them after about 4 to 5 mows, I generally tell people. So that's why Josh wants to get some mows in. And you'll find too, since he's going to be cutting a bit lower and start mowing more regularly now, or start mowing altogether, a lot of the weeds will start getting choked out as well once we start mowing. So you can see here's this side section here. And it is a little bit thinner here as well because it does get shade half a day from that tree that's coming across here. But it gets some afternoon sun, which is good. But yeah, come springtime this will be fine. It's just because the days are starting to get shorter, sorry, not the sun's getting shorter. At least there's grass seed everywhere though, that's the good sign. Like, as you can see, bits of seed everywhere, and with Kentucky Bluegrass, that's good. Like if this was rye or something, and you saw like this many bare spots, you'd overseed it again, because rye will thicken up and tiller out a lot as well, but you still need it to be filled in quite a lot of areas for it to be thick, whereas Kentucky Bluegrass will actually start spreading sideways.
Like that night?
Is there an on switch on this, or is it just pull?
No, it's pull, bro.
First mow. Right, well we had to get the rotary out because, well, we're getting the rotary out because it's just laying the grass over. That's what happens when it gets that long like that. So yeah.
So that's too high?
Yeah, I'll get lower than that. Yeah, you reckon? I don't even know what height that's at, but only halfway. I said it looks like it's just give it a cut too. Looks like. You can see that's a bit lower now, that's good. Sweet! Yeah, man. Looks heaps better with the cut. Yeah. Heaps tidier with the cut. Still got a feeling a bit, but bruh, it'll fill in. So you can see it turned out pretty good. Didn't take a whole heap off, which is what you want to do for your first mow. It's right if you do break the 1/3 rule when you do your first mow, because young grass does seem to be able to hand that breaking the 1/3 rule a little bit better. But yeah, it's good. Now it's time for it just to start spreading sideways and we'll be sweet now. Josh has still got some germinating because he did do an overseed, which I didn't do a video on. And it's still, how many days since you overseeded? How many days since you did the overseed?
3 weeks on Friday, so it's Wednesday today.
So it's getting close to that 21-day mark, so some of it was still popping up. You can see tiny little seedlings in some of the more bare areas, so we'll see how it looks in a couple of weeks. But yeah, Josh's going to give the real mower a crack now. See how we go. Done, son. Oh, looks heaps better after that cut. So much tidier. Stripes, boy. We got stripes. Yeah, that makes it look so much tidier. That real mower. Also, this low height of cut's going to choke out a lot of these big flat weeds. The clover will hang around. Cape weed doesn't seem to like low cuts, although, yeah, anyway, it's not hard to get rid of with weed killer, but we still have to wait a bit. Oh yeah. It always does look better from like looking above if you look down. Oh, it's still pretty good. I'll be happy with that. I reckon in a week's time when I come back and you guys see this, you'll see a big difference. Especially with more seed germinating and just getting some cuts on it, getting some liquid fert on it. Just fixing up the letterbox. Yeah, I'm impressed. Really impressed for Kentucky Bluegrass. That's it for this video. Thanks guys so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll try to keep you guys updated with this lawn now every single week so you can see the growth difference with it. We're about to get frost though in the next couple of weeks, so see how it goes with the frost and stuff. We'll try to hold out though with a couple of different products which I'll talk to you guys about to try to keep it going throughout winter without going too dormant. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and you have a good week.
Sounds dumb. Hey.
Lawn tips.
Welcome to Lawn Tips. Lawn Tits.